All right, so here's another example of a polynomial. So in this case here, we've got 4 terms, but grouping these is going to be difficult because I've got 2 squared terms here. I could group these together and take out an x. But if I group these together, there's nothing I can take out, and I'm not going to end up with a common factor. Or if I group these two and these two, I can factor out a 4y, but again, I'm not going to have anything to factor, so the grouping isn't going to work. But if you notice here, if we just focus on these 3 here, I've got a squared term and a squared term, and this here, so I've got x squared, I've got 2y squared, and if I multiply those together and double it, I get the middle term. So this is a perfect square trinomial. So what I can do is, let's do this. Let's group these 3 together without the 25. So if I just look at that and I say, okay, this is going to be minus, and I'm going to factor out the negative. So minus, and so this will become x squared plus 4xy plus 4y squared. And now, because this is a perfect square trinomial, what do I get? This is going to be 25 minus the quantity x plus, 2y. X plus 2y quantity squared. But now look what happened. Now I've got what? I've got a difference of 2 squares. This is a square and this is a square. And because it's a difference of 2 squares, I now have an a and b. So a here is equal to 5 and b here is equal to x plus 2y. And now I can use the form that it's going to be what? A difference of 2 squares means it's going to be a plus b times a minus b. So it's going to be 5 plus x plus 2y times 5 minus x plus 2y. And now notice how I put the parentheses here because it's minus b. b is the whole thing. So don't make the mistake of dropping the parentheses and only having the subtraction on the x. So you're subtracting the entire thing, okay? So now if I simplify this, what do I get? I get 5 plus x plus 2y times 5 minus x minus 2y. And so that is the final factored form. All right. Have a great day.